If you're someone who prefers a little more structure before you click that record button and provide that video feedback, then this method might be more up your alley. What we're looking at here is just a document. It's the same blog post that I showed in the previous video, but I just have it living in a Google document in this case. But the idea here is that I've added comments throughout just to kind of help guide me through the record process. Now, typically I could just submit this back to the student and they would have my text comments, but taking it a step further, making it more personable and, in my opinion, more helpful would be to provide more detailed video and audio feedback. So what we'll do is I'll demonstrate using Snagit again. So let me bring that over here on the screen. Same as before, you can utilize the webcam if you would like. Uh, adds a more personable touch, but I'm going to just use my microphone for this. So after clicking the capture button, again, I do not have to record my entire screen. The idea here would be to capture enough so that it gets their assignment plus my comments. So if when I have an area selected, I can just let go and it's now going to set up the area that's going to be captured and recorded. I can click the red record button. It's going to give me a countdown and then I can go through my recording. So I could give more detailed feedback where I have comments. As I showed previously, as I scroll down, all of this new information that's below is now being recorded in this capture portion of the screen. And another nice thing is, let's say you forgot something and you wanted to give a little bit more feedback, you can always do that on the fly. So you can make a selection, you can add a new comment, and that's all being captured in real time. So when you're finished and you've gone through the entire document, provided feedback, you can come down, click the finish or stop button. This is going to launch again the Snagit editor, and it's going to give you a preview of your recording. So you can play this back. I'm just going to scrub through it so you can see all of the movement that I did. It does have audio, and when I'm finished here, I could actually, again, make some cuts if I maybe said the wrong thing in a part of the video. I can remove it here, or I can just leave everything in as is. Some share options up here in the top right corner. You can send it up to the cloud, as I mentioned in the previous video. A few different options here. You can also save an MP4 local file and then share it however you want. So again, this is really helpful. It provides your voice, their video. They can go back and rewind the video with your feedback. And again, the goal is to help them improve. So hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have questions and I will do my best to help you. Thanks.